Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to get this amazing updo. Not really. This is my curly hair routine. So I'm going to show you all of these products. This is not sponsored video at all. WeDad did send me these products, but it's not sponsored. I have just fallen in love with them, and I keep showing my hair on social media, all Instagram, blah, 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 and you guys are like, what are you using? How are you doing this? And I'm like, well, it's not a secret. Here you go. So I already washed my hair, but I'm going to show you what I used. I used these two products right here. Everything will be listed below with links, by the way, so you can just go. And I'm going to do this in order and sequence as I did everything. This is, I've already lost it. So I started with the Advanced Climate Control Defrizzing Shampoo. I just put a really small amount. Remember guys, my hair is to my bum. So I still just used, I'd say a quarter size, and it just lathers up in your hair, but it never leaves your hair feeling dry. You always have that moisture that your curls need. And it's kind of like opalescent. Is that the right word? Yeah, probably. Ben, is that the right word? Okay, we're gonna go with that one. And it's not one of the clarifying shampoos, but my hair still feels nice and clean after I use it. So it's a sulfate-free, creates the perfect frizz-free foundation with new Advanced Climate Control Defrizzing Shampoo. And it just says gently massage through wet hair, rinse thoroughly, and follow with Advanced Climate Control Defrizzing Conditioner. And obviously don't get it in your eye. Right, Ben? So, and then I just, I finished with this one. You can use this one as a leave-in conditioner, but I don't because it might be a little too heavy. I have a lot of hair, but my hair isn't very thick. So I try not to weigh it down. But I did use this just as my conditioner after my shampoo. So these two together right here are out here changing hair. But the rest of my routine I'm obviously going to do right here for you guys. So the next product we're gonna go into is the Detangler. It's Advanced Climate Control Detangling Spray. It protects against damage if you're going to blow dry your hair, which I'm not. It is, but I took your t-shirt. It's my t-shirt. It's gonna protect against damage and prevent frizz. So we're just gonna spray. I mean, if you can already see, look how curly my hair already is just with the shampoo and conditioner. Like, remember, my hair is naturally curly, but it's also prone to being wild and unruly, much like its owner. What are you doing? Just start spraying. So we're just gonna evenly coat my hair with this, and this is gonna defrizz as well. Oh, you're so sweet. I don't even care if you get it on my face. Ah, it's cold. And then the hairbrush I have is, where's the brush? Here it is. It's this really nice one.
She's thrown it. It's gone. No hairbrush for you.
It went right here, baby. It went back that way. We're using a dingle hopper. Okay, I got it.
Got it with your toes?
Okay, they didn't need to know that.
She got it with her toes.
Oh my God. So this is a paddle brush that I really, really like. It's from the IONIC GrapheneMX. I'll have it linked below. It's just really good for my curls, and it doesn't pull out my hair. Whatever you just did, it feels like a spa treatment.
So
look at it.
The trick is you start from the bottom.
It is.
I've been combing her hair long enough to know this. I gotta take this backlight off.
Okay, how many?
I don't think anybody's gonna care.
How many years have you been dealing with my hair?
16.
16 years.
I still had hair.
He did.
So you're gonna start at the bottom.
You don't have a microphone. They can't hear you.
Oh, they can hear me. It's loud.
Are you loud?
Yes.
And then if you check my IGTV, I'll have this makeup look on there. I use the Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I can't stop looking at the monitor. It's got a beta fish right here. So it shouldn't be that tangly.
It's not.
Yeah, that stuff is pretty amazing.
But we won't really know until I get to the top.
Okay. To be
continued.
To be continued. has absolutely nothing to do with it. Ben just wanted to show you guys how great he braids hair. Why? I don't mind. All right, let's take this out. So nice. I'm sorry, babe. It's really, really, really pretty.
One of my best braids.
One of his. Okay, so remember we already have the detangler in there, which is acting as a defrizzer. But the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the advanced climate control heat and humidity gel. This is so perfect because it's so lightweight, but has such amazing hold. And also, I really work to do this before my hair gets any drier. I like my hair to be really damp. That way it just absorbs the product better and even distributes through the hair better. So I like to just, oh, hair in the microphone. So what I like to do is I like to do 2 sections, and I'm gonna grab a little bit more. And I'm just gonna run it through my hair. I try not to use too much product which is so easy for me to do, because I feel like I need to because I have so much hair, but I don't, because then my hair will get weighed down. Bring it all the way down to the bottom of the hair. And then I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna take a little bit more, just a tiny drop. See how little that is? And I'm just gonna run it right through the roots. I like this on my roots because it's not heavy and it doesn't weigh down. I'm all about that fluffy, no weighing down my hair. So the next thing I'm going to use is I'm gonna grab this right here. This is the multi-use curl treatment. You can use this when your hair is dry, you can use it when it's wet. But the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it on my ends. I like my ends to be extra moisturized, and we'll see how our hair dries tomorrow, and then we'll just come back and spot correct. But I don't, like I said, I'm trying my best to not put the most in my hair, but this stuff right here, I want this in a perfume. It is the best smell I've ever smelled in my life. So if somebody wants to bottle that up, I will be first in line to buy it. So now we have to go find our t-shirt, and I'm gonna have to stand up for this, so BRB. Okay, so remember the t-shirt that we had? And I like to use t-shirts because they're just softer on my hair.
Specifically my t-shirt.
Your t-shirt, I love your t-shirt, I love you, Ben. Okay, so normally I would flip my head over and just come up from there, but the way we're set up and all, and he volunteered, so we might as well act like we're at the salon. So he's gonna start from the bottom, and then he's gonna start to push those up. With the t-shirt!
Oh, my bad.
I mean, you have no hair, so we can't be mad at you.
So which way?
Just go up.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. Now take that from the bottom. Yeah, and you're just gonna squish it up. Okay, it honestly feels like Alien and Predator are battling back there. Yeah, but no, but like you're just gonna keep doing it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're creating the curl. You're lifting it and you're reshaping it and you're putting
it. I'm wrinkling your hair.
You're not, you can't wrinkle curl.
How am I supposed to know?
Here, let me have the t-shirt just so we can make sure this. So this is a tutorial and not a America's Funniest Home Video. So notice guys, I'm just taking the t-shirt and I'm always kind of squishing it up. We'll take some here on my shorter parts. I'm just reshaping it and making sure that it goes back into its natural shape. Okay, now that we have everything done. Sorry, I thought I heard a door. Okay. Okay, now that everything is in our hair, what I do is I go to bed and I let it air dry. I don't blow dry my hair. I'm just not into that. You can use a diffuser and do this and it works beautifully. I have friends that do. No. Me and my hair say no. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to bed and then I'm gonna shoot the rest of this tomorrow. And then when we shoot that, I'm gonna show you the last step because you can spray this on your hair and say you slept on one of the curls, this is gonna reactivate it and make it look so amazing. So I wanted to show you that part too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish the tutorial tomorrow so you can see my hair all nice and dried. So we'll be back and we'll have dry hair. All right guys, we're on day 2. I already did my makeup for the day. And this is my hair. Hair in the microphone. This is my hair after I just wake up from it air drying. I just lay it out across my pillow, and this is what we get. So the last step that I do, that if I see anything that I want just a little less frizz in, like even right here, is you can spray this Advanced Climate Control Restore Revive Biphase. This is like the product I've been looking for my entire life. It's something you just spray on after your hair is completely dry, and it just like reactivates. Don't spray that way. Don't be that person. But it just reactivates your curls. And you just kind of do that and then scrunch it back up. And it smells so good. But literally, I've always been looking for something that just reactivates and gets rid of frizz. So this is not a hairspray. It's basically just a curl reviver. And that's it. That's all I do. Nothing really over here needs revived. But honestly, I used this the other day and my hair was the exact same curl for 4 days straight. It was insane. And that's when we had the flat tire and I was sitting out on 288 and my hair was blowing and it was still staying in perfect curls. And I was like, what is this stuff? And that's when I knew that I had to show you guys all of this stuff. So that's all I do. This will dry and then it'll just reactivate any curls that might have fallen or ones that I slept on. I think we should get a shot from behind. So let me turn around so you guys can see the back of my hair. I just wanted to show you guys that I sprayed it right here and you guys can see that it's reactivating these curls. It stays damp for honestly just a second. And I'm always scrunching, but you can just see such a difference. Okay, now let's flip this over so y'all don't mistake me for Cousin It here. Woo! There we go. And then there you go. There it is. That's a good time. All right, guys, this is it. This is my hair routine. It's super simple, but I am truly loving all of these products. Again, it's so sad that we've come to this. I do have to tell you, it is not sponsored. I just truly love these products, and obviously the proof is right here on my head curling around. Okay, let me know what y'all want to see next. This hair tutorial was highly requested. So we'll figure out what we're doing next. You guys let me know, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Love you.